I'll show you 10 vegan cooking hacks that will have you spending less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing vegan meals? Well, I've got some cooking hacks that will save you time and money. Hack number 1. Batch cook your grains and beans. Cook a large batch and store them in the fridge or freezer for quick and easy meals throughout the week. Hack number 2. Use a rice cooker to make perfect quinoa. Rice and other grains without having to constantly monitor the stove. Hack number 3. Make your own vegetable broth by saving veggie scraps in a bag in the freezer. Just add water and simmer for a flavorful broth. Hack number 4. Use a food processor to quickly chop veggies for salads, stir-fries, and soups. It'll save you so much time compared to chopping by hand. Hack number 5. Invest in a good quality blender to make creamy soups, smoothies, and sauces in minutes. It's a game changer for vegan cooking. Hack number 6. Make your own plant-based milk using nuts, seeds, or oats. It's cheaper and healthier than store-bought options. Hack number 7. Use a slow cooker or instant pot to make hearty stews and curries with minimal effort. Just set it and forget it. Hack number 8. Repurpose leftovers into new meals to prevent food waste and save time cooking from scratch every day. Hack number 9. Meal prep on Sundays by chopping veggies, cooking grains, and preparing sauces ahead of time. It'll make weeknight dinners a breeze. Hack number 10. Get creative with spices and herbs to add flavor to your dishes without relying on expensive processed ingredients. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more vegan cooking tips and recipes. See you next time.